Hey there, welcome to Bishop's Garage. I'm sure you can hear that we've got something running in the background here. So today I'm going to be taking my 1948 Chevy pickup here, and we're going to be taking our engine block from our 1958 Plymouth Suburban. We're going to take it up to a place called Copeland's Engines, or Cope's Engines. They've been around for 40-50 years doing this kind of stuff, hot rod engines as well. So we're going to go ahead and see whether or not this beastie here can be rebuilt. We'll see whether or not we go 90 or even 120 over on it, assuming it can be rebuilt. So let's go ahead and take it up there and see what they're going to say. Thanks. Let's get to this. Show me. Alrighty, we're on our way. Alright, we've arrived. Parts are here. And here we go, Cope Brothers Automotive Machine Shop. This is where we're going to get it done. Hey there, welcome to Bishop's Garage. I'm Bishop, and, well, this time it actually is my garage. I'm sitting here on the front of my Pontiac Chieftain, my 55, which is also one of my project cars. But today we're talking about our Plymouth 1958 Suburban. I dropped the block off in the heads to go ahead and get rebuilt, honed, bored out, probably 90, most likely 120. We'll see. We're going to do a stroker kit on it, so we're going to up it to a 4-inch stroke, 4-inch bore, and it should come out to maybe about a 410. We're looking at probably 350 horsepower. I'm going to do it kind of mild, I don't want to do it crazy. I don't want 5 miles a gallon, or yeah, 5 miles to the gallon. Then again, I don't want 20, so you know, we want some power in there. So thanks for coming by. Hopefully I will get you some more footage pretty soon of the block, some of the engineering that they're doing with it, hardening the seats, putting new valves in, rebuilding those, and so that's going to be some exciting, fun footage, and I will get that out hopefully in the next video. So thanks for hanging with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye.